everybody, and welcome back to Hippie Noodle HQ. You might notice I'm not in my studio today, and that's because I'm in the Brain Fizz workshop, and I'm going to be doing a different kind of making today. So ever since I went to Make Essential a couple of weeks ago, I've been really excited about trying loads of new different things. And one of the things I saw there that really inspired me was a gallery of work by a scroll saw artist called Jamie Page, who is known as JP Woodwork. And his work is just terrific. I'm going to put a link to his channel, by the way, in case you don't know who he is. And at the end of the show, I was really, really lucky to be gifted this piece that Jamie had made, and he allowed me to bring it home with me. And I love it so much, I really want to have a go and see if I can come up with anything that's anywhere near as good as this. So I'm really very fortunate that I've been able to borrow a scroll saw from my stepdad. I know absolutely nothing about it, but I've had some basic instruction about how it works, and I've got some scraps of wood and some templates to have a play with. Let's see how that goes. So here's the results of my first day's practice session. Hold the right way up, that would help. Got a little way to go before JP's got anything to worry about, but not too shabby really. This piece, I never squared it off before I began, so it's kind of wonky on the edges, and there's a few little areas where I went kind of away from the line of the design a little bit, so I'm probably not going to be able to use this with for anything. But this piece, I think I've got an idea of something I could do with this. It's split out a bit on the back, which I think is because I'm using a cheap plywood. So if I have some better materials for next time, that might help. If you're a scroll saw and you can offer me any kind of tips, by the way, on what I'm doing wrong here, then by all means let me know in the comments below. So if you want to see what ideas I've got for this, then click subscribe and come back and keep an eye on what videos come up next. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Bye for now. I need help. I need an adult.